Good morning, dear students. Let's start lines and angles. Students, we are doing exercise 6.2 and today we start from question number 4. In this, we have a given figure. If PQ is parallel to ST and angle PQR is 110 and angle RST is 130 degree, find QRS. स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें PQ पैरेलल गिवन है ST लाइन के एंड PQR इज गिवन 110 and RST is 130 degree. You can see in the diagram and we have to find QRS. Okay. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ कंसेप्ट्स हैं जो पहले हम समझ लेते हैं बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द सॉल्यूशन. हियर यू कैन सी दैट PQ इज पैरेलल टू ST and PQ is parallel to XY. You can see that. And line QR is the transversal. Both will together make a linear pair. और स्टूडेंट्स, हमें पता है कि लीनियर पेयर 180 डिग्री का होता है. In this way, we can calculate this angle as 70 degree. You can see here. Similarly, SR is the transversal between ST and XY. You can see here, but we have to find angle QRS. Students, अब हमें QRS find करना है. Let's start the solution for the same. It is given that PQ is parallel to ST and XY is parallel to XT. And we know that XY is parallel to PQ. So, PQ, ST and XY all are parallel to each other. Since PQ is parallel to XY and QR is transversal, you can see here, and that will make a linear pair as I have just discussed now. So 110 degree QRX together will make 180 degree. In this way we get QRX is equals to 70 degree. Okay, so move to the, here we have also ST is parallel to XY and SR is also transversal. Okay, so students, in this way you can see that this is 130 degree angle and together will make 180. In this way we get this is 50 degree. Okay students, so here we take angle SRY plus RST, these angles, okay, is equals to 180 degree. In this way SRY remain as it is and SRST is 130 degree. So 130 degree move to the right hand side. In this way we get angle RSY, SRY is 50 degree. Okay, so students, अब हमें find करना है QRS. You can see that XY is a straight line and all the angles, if we take together, that will make 180 degree again. In this way we have 110 plus 50 plus QRS is equals to 180 degree. So students, let's start this one also. Since XY is a line and QRX plus QRS plus SRY is equals to 180 degree. All make together linear pair. Put these values and in this way 70 plus 50 we get 120 degree. And students, QRS that we have to determine, this is our solution, is equals to 60 degree. Now students, move to the next question. Here we have fifth question. बहुत ही easy question है students, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ. In the given figure, if AB line is parallel to CD, you can see here AB is parallel to CD and angle APQ is 50 degree. Angle PRD is 127 degree. And we have to calculate these values X and Y. So students, for the same, let's start. AB is parallel to CD and here you can see that PQ is transversal. And we know that if two lines are parallel and there is a transversal, then vertically you can see here that 50 degree, this one angle, here you can see that angle APQ is equals to PQR because these angles are alternate angles, alternate interior angles. So students, now AB is parallel to CD and PQ is transversal. So APQ is 50 degree. In this way we get x is equals to 50 because these angles are alternate angles. You can also write alternate interior angles. Okay. Similarly, now we have to find this y value. Similarly, AB is parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel and here PR is the transversal. In this way, you can see that this one angle 127 is equals to 50 plus y here, because this is transversal line and we have to calculate the value of y. So students, in this way we will write 127 degree is equals to 50 plus y because both are alternate interior angles. In this way we will calculate the value of y. You can see here angle APR is equals to angle PRD. So students, 50 plus y is equals to 127. In this way y is equals to 77 degrees. So students, this is very important question. Okay, so move to the next question. Here we have question number 6. In the given figure, PQ line is parallel to the RS and are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB, this is the incident ray AB, strikes the mirror PQ at B point and the reflected ray moves along the path BC. This is the reflected ray. Okay, reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C point. Again, that reflects back along CD. We have to prove that here line AB is parallel to CD. Students, you already have studied in science about the reflected rays. You can see here the diagram. Here AB is the incident ray. This is the incident ray and BC is the reflected ray. अगर हम कभी भी मिरर में सपोज अगर हम कोई टॉर्च से लाइट अगर हम रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे, दैट इज़ द जो हम अपनी साइड से करेंगे दैट टचेस द मिरर, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द इंसिडेंट रे. एंड जो मिरर से रिफ्लेक्ट होकर के जाएगी उस रे को हम कहते हैं रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे वी हैव अ रिजल्ट हेयर I is equals to R. You can see that incident ray and reflected ray. From the laws of reflection, these two values, these two angles must be equal. Okay, so students, you can see here that in this diagram angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because of laws of reflection. Similarly, angle 3 is equals to angle 4. So students, here you can see angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and 3 is equals to 4. Now students, if these two angles are equal, so that will be half of ABC because both are equal. You can write as well. Similarly, angle 3 is equals to angle 4 and this will is equals to half of BCD because both are equal. Okay. Students, जब हम angle 1 और angle 2 को एक साथ प्लस करेंगे तो वो टोटल एंगल बनेगा ABC का. Okay, in this way we can write angle 1 is the half of ABC and we can also write angle 2 is the half of ABC. Similar results used here. We have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. So here BM and CN are normal. You can see here normal means what? Normal means perpendicular lines. BM and CN both are the perpendicular lines. BM is perpendicular to PQ and CN is perpendicular to RS. But PQ is parallel to RS. You can see here these two lines are parallel and these are perpendicular. So BM is parallel to CN and BC is transversal. So angle 2 is equals to angle 3. Students, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं BM and CN both lines are parallel. Okay, and BC is transversal. You can see that this is transversal. Now you can rotate the diagram. In this way we get angle 2 is equals to angle 3 because these two angles are alternate interior angles. So students, in this way angle 2 is equals to angle 3. So angle 2 is the half of ABC and angle 3 is the half of BCD. Okay. In this way angle ABC is equals to angle DCB. These two angles becomes equal. In this way you can see that since angle ABC and DCB are equal, but ABC angle and DCB are alternate interior angles. और alternate interior angles कब होते हैं equal? And there we have a transversal also. We have proved that BC is the transversal. So students, इधर से रिजल्ट निकलता है कि लाइंस कैसी हो जाएंगी, ए बी एंड सी डी आर पैरेलल बिकॉज देयर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर इक्वल. जब लाइंस पैरेलल होती हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि ट्रांसवर्सल जो कट कर रही है अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे. बट यहाँ क्या है, बी सी ट्रांसवर्सल है, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल इक्वल है, देन वी कैन राइट दिस एज दीज टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स होपफुली आपको समझ में आया होगा. सो in this way today we have completed the exercise 6.2. Do more and more practice. Thank you for watching the complete video.